Own your energy. Today I'm showing you a home-first blueprint to generate and store solar power, using stock-friendly gear like the Bluetti AC300 or EcoFlow Delta Pro. Simple, clear. Panels on sheds, garden floors or gazebos, patios. No scaffolding, no drama. Step 1. Plan your sun. Open a SunPath app. Stand by your shed or gazebo. Mark where you get at least 5 hours of direct light. Avoid chimneys, trees, tall fences that cast shade. Step 2. Pick your panels. Rigid 200, 475W panels with anodized frames. Durable and perfect for small roofs. Use tilt brackets. 15 degrees to 30 degrees to shed rain and boost output. Step 3. Mount smart. Find the rafters. Use stainless hardware. Butyl tape or rubber gaskets under feet for watertight seals. Panels in parallel rows. Tidy cable runs under the lip, secured with UV-rated clips. Step 4. Cable and safety. Measure distance to your power station. Choose 10 or 12 AWG for short runs. MC4 connectors and inline fuse or DC breaker. PV isolator you can reach quickly. Weatherproof every entry with glands. Step 5. Pick your power station. Bluetti AC300. EcoFlow Delta Pro. Check PV input limits on your unit. Wire panels in series. Parallel. Hybrid to match voltage and watts. Step 6. Place the unit. Keep it indoors, off the floor, cool, ventilated. No direct sun, no damp corners. Step 7. Test and expand. Start with 2 to 4 panels. Confirm the app shows stable solar watts. Then scale up. Add extra batteries later if you need all-night power. What can this run? Fridge, freezer, router, phones, LED lights, laptop, TV, game console, charge tools, power medical essentials. How it saves money. Use solar by day. Store the excess. Run appliances from your battery during peak rates. In an outage, you've got instant reliable backup. No fumes, low noise. Quick pro tips. Keep panels clean. Dust can steal 10% or more. Label every cable. Use efficiency. Aerated fridges. LED strips to stretch runtime. Schedule heavy loads for sunny hours. Your shed, gazebo, patio can be a quiet power plant. Build it with expansion opportunities in your planning. Let the sun do the work. Choose the essential appliances. Lights and connectivity. Own your energy with a solar array. Learn from a small solar setup and grow your knowledge and devices later on. Do not hesitate to ask questions in the comments and visit OwnsEnergy.com.